Today's show is sponsored by Smith Dough Fibers. They can be found in French Lick, Indiana, and you can call them at 812-936-4511. Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, November 30th. NJHS is sponsoring Pie in the Face fundraiser to help senior Cale Kibler and his family as he recovers from his surgery. Money will be collected during lunch in the office, starting now until December 13th. Check out this video.
Raise money for teachers who you want to see get a pie in the face.
Bring your money into the office or during your lunch.
We will be collecting money November 26th to December 13th. All proceeds will go to Cale Kibler's family.
Don't forget to bring your money for pie in the face.
To me.
Twice.
Okay, your turn. Towards me.
Towards you.
Dang it. We went a third, too.
Drama Club's dance workshop will be Thursday, December 6th. That has changed from the original date. Please wear comfortable clothes. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Attention students, Mr. Stroud, Mrs. Stout, and Mrs. Matheny and NHS students will be offering extra credit for each session students intend to review about ISTEP. And if a student brings a parent or guardian, they can gain extra points. ISTEP meetings will start next week, Monday 5 to 6 and Wednesdays 3:15 to 4:15 in Mr. Stroud's room. If you have any questions, please contact your math teacher. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Jenny. Last night, girls JV and varsity basketball both won against Bar Eve. Freshmen boys lost against Springs Valley. Tonight, boys JV and varsity basketball is against Henryville at home. The game starts at 6 and the theme is beach. The boys wrestling team will be at Scottsburg at 5. Saturday, boys wrestling will be at Scottsburg at 5. Girls junior varsity and varsity will be at Henryville Saturday starting at 11. Saturday, junior varsity and varsity boys basketball will be at Lanesville starting at 6. Come support all your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Joni.
Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. High school student council members should have their chocolate fundraisers complete and money turned in before Christmas break. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.